Latvian. Latgalian. Latvian is a member of the Baltic branch of the Indo-European language family, mainly spoken in Latvia, where it holds official status. It shares a close historical relationship with Lithuanian. Although the two languages are not mutually intelligible, Latvian has evolved significantly over the centuries, influenced by neighboring languages, which have shaped its vocabulary and grammar and is written in the Latin alphabet. As an official language of the European Union, Latvian plays a key role in preserving the cultural heritage and identity of the Latvian people. Latgalian is a Baltic language traditionally spoken in the Latgali region of eastern Latvia. It is closely related to Latvian, but exhibits unique phonological, grammatical, and lexical features that distinguish it as either a dialect of Latvian or a separate language, depending on linguistic and socio-political perspective. Today, it is recognized as a historical variant of Latvian in Latvia, with efforts to preserve and promote it through education, literature, and cultural initiatives. It is spoken primarily by the Latgalian ethnic group, and while its number of speakers has declined, it remains an essential part of Latvia's linguistic and cultural heritage.
Viens,
divi,
trīs, četri, pieci, seši, septiņi, astoņi, deviņi, 10.
Tēvs mūsu, kas esi debesīs, svētīts lai top tavs vārds.
Tēvs mūsu, kas esi debesīs, svētīts lai top tavs vārds.
Lai atnāk tava valstība, tavs prāts, lai notiek kā debesīs, tā arī virs zemes.
Lai atnāk tava valstība, tavs prāts, lai notiek kā debesīs, tā arī virs zemes.
Mūsu dienascho maizi dod mums šodien,
Mūsu dienascho maizi dod mums šodien,
un piedod mums mūsu parādus, kā arī mēs piedodam saviem parādniekiem,
un atlaid mums mūsu parodus, kā arī mēs atlaižam saviem parodniekiem.
un neieved mūsu kārdināšanā, bet atpestī mūs no ļauna. Āmen.
Un neieved mūsu kārdināšanā, bet atpestī mūs no ļauna.